Why do we say the Red Sea but just Lake Geneva? Why is it the Rocky Mountains but just Mount Everest? And lastly, why the Earth but just Venus? It doesn't make sense. Today, we are going to break down similar types of conceptual rules related to article the that will dictate exactly when to use the and when to don't. Okay, let's do it. Use the with oceans, rivers, seas, and with plural lakes. For example, the Red Sea, the Atlantic Oceans, the Great Lakes. And don't use the with singular lakes such as Lake Geneva, Lake Erie. Use the with mountains. For example, the Rocky Mountains, the Himalayas. But don't use the with mounts. For example, Mount Everest, Mount Fuji. The differences between them is that mountains are more general nouns, whereas mounts specify a singular name of a single mount. Rule number 5. Use the with earth and moon. For example, the earth and the moon. And don't use the with planets like Venus, Mars, Orion. Then we use the with schools, colleges, universities when the phrase begins with schools, college, universities itself. For example, the University of Florida, the College of Arts and Science. And we don't use the with schools, colleges, universities when a phrase begins with proper noun, means with a unique name. For example, the Santa Fe Community College, Cooper's Arts School. Number 9. Use the with ordinal numbers before nouns. Ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. For example, the First World War, the third chapter. And don't use the with cardinal numbers after nouns. Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. For example, World War One, Chapter 3. Did you get the catch here? Ordinal numbers before nouns, cardinal numbers after nouns. Use the with certain countries or group of countries with more than one word, except Great Britain. For example, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Central Republic. And don't use the with countries' names preceded by new or an adjective such as direction. For example, New Zealand, South Africa, North Africa. Plus, don't use the with countries with one word. France, Bangladesh, Sweden, India. As well as don't use the with continents. For example, Europe, Africa, South America. Also, don't use the with states. For example, Florida, California, Delhi. Use the with historical documents like the Constitution, the Magna Carta. Another one is use the with ethnic groups. For example, the Indians, the Chinese. And finally, don't use the with sports like baseball, basketball. Don't use the with abstract nouns like freedom, happiness. Don't use the with general areas of subject matter like mathematics and sociology. Don't use the with holidays like Eid, Puja, and Christmas. Our next class will be on 30 article problem question, gap filling class. Test yourself. Thank you.